you one thing, I've already got a walk around video on this car, and I had no clue that I was going to be test driving today, but it stopped raining. Hallelujah. Look, 1972 Chevy Corvette. Let's pop the hood. This one does have the 4-speed shifter. It's actually a pretty nice car. Got a lot of wax on it too. Look at the beads. We'll have to wash her up right after this test drive because the roads are still a little wet. This is a matching number 350. Can't complain on that. Looks like we do got power steering pump down there. And of course, I'll be taking it down the road, pointing out flaws so you know what you're getting. I literally am told, point out any kind of flaws you can find. They actually get mad at me if I miss things. Hey, you can comment all you want on this one. The front end has been changed out. On the title, on the VIN, 1972 model Corvette. That's what really matters. Yeah, it may have had an accident or something may have happened the way it's set up right now. It looks beautiful, it's clean, the lines look good. But the front end has been changed out. We know. Again, comment all you want. The fact of the matter, it's a 1972. For now, you can check out maplemotors.com and look at the detailed pictures. You can actually watch a walk around video. So when it snowed out here and there was snow everywhere, I did a complete walk around looking for chips, scratches, rust, and dents. That's going to be on my channel here under cars currently available. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, bottom of the door there, it's got some spots that have been kicked. Most people get in and out of these cars and they're like, "Bow, kick the door, let's get out of here." Look around the interior. For the most part, we're dry. T-tops usually leak on these Vettes. And it's been raining all day. To show you it's dry, I mean, I got my bag in full. These paper match usually. Hey, look, it does have a drip. A little bit of water there. I mean, very little, but that mat will catch it and keep it. But this one actually stays pretty dry. Throw my bag down there again. Got the seatbelt hooked up because the buzzer will not cut off unless the seatbelt is fastened. Interior on this one's very, very red. Sweet, let's start her up. She's cold. Don't matter. Still starts up good. It did have power steering, but check this out. It's not turning. So power steering may need some work. Let's try our wipers. Might need them. It's not raining right now, but what about our tach here? Look at that. 400 or 500. Try to keep my foot in the gas just a little bit, let her warm up. We'll try some heat. Do we got heat? Yeah, we're blowing on my legs. Do you hear that? So that's the turbo right there, look. Woo! Hit that turbo. Well, we got static from the radio. Oil pressure gauge is not hooked up. Gas gauge, I don't know, man. Might have to stop and get a little bit of fuel. Turn signals, yeah, nice and bright. But this side, nice and bright. Place those bets. If you watch the walk around video that I have out on the channel, you know if the horn works or not. But if you haven't watched that yet, place your bet. Mileage, man, this very well could be true. But it's hard to stand behind a car that's from 1972. Horn. No honky. Let's see how it rides. Well, come on now. That little buzzer. Oh, really? These shipping guys just don't know what's going on in this world. They're gonna come pick up a car, but they're gonna block the whole gate. Hold up. I got about 2 inches over here. I think I can get out. Well, I'm gonna go completely around them. He's about to find out the hard way. So we'll pick up this car. Well, you need to move, sir. All right, here we go. We're riding down the road. This is the first time that I've driven this car. Steering wheel's definitely not straight, but this car is going pretty straight down the road. It's not really pulling left or right. You got tight steering. She feels pretty good. My mirror's not exactly right over here. Kind of crooked. She's just a cruiser. Let's try these brakes out. They're pulling to the right. Do you see that? Brakes aren't terrible. Not the greatest in the world. But again, I feel like this was just more of a driver. She's definitely got a little bit of pickup. And these are easily modified. Engine temperature is coming up on the dash. Oh, are we gonna have a spot at the gas station today? There's enough cars here to have a car lot. I might be able to creep around on the back side of the minivan. Watch over these giant water puddles. Be holes hidden underneath them. Okay, guys, tell you what, she actually runs pretty good. Let's try a reverse. All right, we're gonna get some gas now. Gas gauge is broke on this one. It's way past full. I don't trust it. Want to make sure I don't run out. And again, I don't normally test drive in the rain, but I do got cleanup guys looking for something to do. So I said I'm gonna test drive this since it's not really pouring down rain and it's not solid ice out here. Just overall this crazy weather. I'll be back. Okay, so yeah, I didn't put as much as I expected. I was gonna throw about $20 with the premium fuel in this one, but I just got that $12 make you holla. This is a 93, running that 93 octane. The reason I did that is this thing's almost full, and these shipping trucks typically won't pick them up. You can see the juices down in there. It's pretty close to the top. She's got enough fuel. These shipping trucks won't typically pick them up if they're too full on gas, that's for sure. Because you know, when they're right on the trucks, they're leaning. All right, let's start her back up. Let's see. Started good earlier. What's it do now? She starts good still. Okay. Gotta get your seatbelt on in this car. It doesn't matter. This thing will buzz until you pull your hair out. As soon as you pull that seatbelt up, it stops. So, this is pretty hard to do one-handed. Oh, there we go. We'll roll down a window. Fix my mirror. I tell you what, this is weird weather here. Real weird. 60 degrees now. Every one of these videos I've done pretty much every day, and we went from 0 to about 30 to about 50 to 60 degrees. Yeah, something right. That's weird. Yeah, power steering's definitely not working on this right now. Yeah, check this out. Hey, there's a giant pile of snow, and I'm about to take my jacket off. All right, let's get these outside shots. did. It really did. This temp gauge, I don't believe it. It's still like at 150. So I don't know if I believe it. I'm gonna roll up the window over here. Oh, almost all the way up. We're gonna roll out. So I got y'all on the head cam. Y'all look good up there. I'll get you out of the way so you don't have to look at that the whole time. I can just reference over here. All right. Oh, yep, seatbelt's gonna go wild. Where'd it go? Ooh, yummy. I said, don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street lights and people. Wow. All right, our speedometer's pretty accurate on this one. We're running about 40 miles an hour. Woo, I'm tired of all this rain. I'm full of energy right now. Tomorrow, I'm gonna jam in 4 test drives. I'm going for it. We'll skip lunch. I'll have them bring us some stuff maybe. Maybe bring some snacks in. This one here, it's checking out. I mean, the only thing I'd get going is your gauges. I'd probably install a aftermarket temp gauge because I don't believe that one. It's not really moving. It's not giving me a different reading. It's all the same. Oil pressure gauge is not hooked up. I mean, the motor feels fine. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but this is more of a driver. This little bump in the road here, pretty smooth. Suspension feels good. Street lights and people. It's stuck in my head. I don't know if y'all have noticed watching me through the years, but I've got ADHD, and I have had that for a long time, and I absolutely love it. Do 10 projects at once. I've also got a little light in here that I set up because it's starting to get a little bit dark. I guess where it's cloudy today. Did he move? Woo! We started to slide a little bit. A little tire chirp there. Back in our brakes. Oh, there goes my light. Bro, you didn't even move. You didn't even get a car out either. Well, I'm about to tell this guy he's doing it wrong. All right. You want to see the walk around video? I've got it separate from this one. You have to go check it out. So stick around for that. I'll see you later.